Yeah guys, welcome back again for another lesson. Today we are going to take a look at everything about folder in Microsoft introduction to Windows. This tutorials is mostly for beginners out there who have no experience or who have no knowledge about PC or how to use PC, right? And when we talk about a folder is just like a placeholder where you keep all your documents, all your files, all your whatever you might have that you want to keep on your PC in terms of music, document files, and the rest, right? Without wasting much time, let's get into it and see what we are talking about here. Please, before I forget, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon, so each time I upload a new video, you will not miss out a new update. Thank you very much for that one. God bless you. Now, when you talk about a folder, as we just mentioned, is a placeholder where you keep all the documents on the PC. Now, for you to create a folder, all you have to do based on the type of Windows you are using or the operating system, you just right click on your desktop. Of course, this is Windows 10, as you can see. This is Windows 10. So when you right click, come to the area where you see new, and when you come to new, you can see where you see what folder, right? So all you have to do is just click on folder, and then you click on folder, you will see a new folder will be created right on your desktop, right? As you can see, the new folder we just created is this new folder too. If I want to create another folder again, I will just right click again, come to new, and you will see folder here. I will just click on folder again, another folder will create new folder 3, right? Now we have just learned how to create folder on our desktop, but the problem here is these folder are not well named. Of course, new folder, if you have any document in this folder, it will not make any sense to you, because let's assume you want to place a particular document here and you place another document here. If you want to look for this document, you find it very difficult to identify. So what we do, we have to rename folders, right? You will name folder based on the kind of document you want to place in that folder. Now let's assume I want to rename this folder to my videos. That means all of my videos I will be having on this desktop will be in this this folder. So you will right click on the folder, just click on the folder and right click, and you will see the area where you say rename. So all you have to do, click on rename here, and when you click on rename, you will see what the text that will be there will be highlighted. All you have to do, then you type in the name that you want for your folder. As for this one, example is my videos. Immediately you are done typing the name, all you have to do is hit enter on your keyboard, or you can click outside the name. As you can see, the folder we have, new folder 2, is now called my video. With this one, it makes more sense than this one. If you can see new folder, you don't know what this folder is about. But if you take a look at my videos, you automatically know this folder is a folder that contains all your videos on the desktop, right? Now let's assume if you want to rename this also, just right click on it and come to rename. Let's say I will call this my document. Hit enter on the keyboard also. You see, now this is making sense, while also this other one is making sense. You can know this folder is for your videos and this other folder is for your document. Now let's say by chance there was a mistake, right? There was a mistake within the name of this folder and you want to change this folder. So all you have to do, if you want to change this name, all you have to just right click again and come to rename. You will rename the folder again with whatever name that you want. Let's say I want this to be my Excel, my practice. I want this to be my practice. Like I told you, other one, you can either click outside or you click enter on the keyboard. Once you are done typing the name will as you can see the name have changed again, right? This is how you create folder, and you can rename folder to your preferable choice, and it make a lot of sense to you if you rename folders. Now, as far as you have renamed this folder, as you can see, this folder is being created outside, which is on the desktop, but you can create folders inside a folder also. What I'm talking about here, let's assume I open my video. Now if I open my video, you can see there is no folder here, but if I want to create another folder in this my video folder, I will do that by just clicking on this right on the ribbon here, the home tab here on the ribbon. You can see here, you see new folder. You can just click on it again, and I will say agents, or maybe I can say agent or action movies. You see that a folder has been created in my video folder. If I want to still create another new folder, I will just click on this one also again. I will say what? Africa documentary. You see that? I've just created a new two folder in what? My video folder. Let's close this by coming to this X here. This X is for close, right? This X right at the corner side here is to close what? A Windows. As you can see, this one is a Windows. We have already opened a Windows folder of what? My video. So we can close this by coming to this X here. It's what? Close. Now you can see this is the video folder. And you can see that this folder is what? Entailing some other folders. But when you look at my practice folder, you can see it's empty. And you can see even the way they look like is different, because this one is empty. If you open this, you can see nothing is there. But if you open my video folder, you can see what? We have Africa Documentary, Agent of Action Movie. These are also what? Folders. By coming to the new folder here, and you can create folders in another folder. Right? You can also create folder outside, which is on the desktop, and you just take them and place it toward the other folder. For example, let's say we want this my practice folder to be in my video folder here. All you have to do, you hold on the folder here, drag it and leave it over on my video folder. You see, the practice folder is no longer here, but it is being what? In my video folder here, because it is in the folder that we just placed. So what you have to do, just open it and you see my practice folder. See, here is it, my practice folder. So either sometimes you create folder outside the desktop by coming to right click new, and you create folder, and you can give it a name. Let's say whatever name you want. It's up to you, and you can take the folder and drag it into what? The next folder you want. And when you open the folder, you will find the folder you just shared or place into this one. Right now, like I just told you earlier on, or you can just click on the new folder here, and you can still create another folder. You see, this is how you create folder. Okay, now we learn how to create folder on the desktop, and also how to rename folder. Even if you create folder in another folder, let's assume you want to change this name, this particular folder here, you want to change the name of the folder. You can do it right from here. You can either come, if you look at the ribbon here, you can see where it says rename, delete, move, copy, or move, right? We have series of functions here. So you can just click on rename here, and you will rename the folder again to your choice, or whatever choice you want. You see that? We have just renamed this folder right from this place. Now, if this is my practice folder, I don't need it again. What I will do, I will just delete this folder. If I want to delete this folder, you first have to click on the folder, just click on what? Delete, and the folder will be gone. See that? Without any issue. Right? Now, another next thing again, I want to show you about folder. You can change the folder icon if you want to. As you can see, this is the way this folder looks. If I don't want this folder to look like this, all I have to do, I will change the icon of this folder. Right, we have six ways to change that. You can change folder icon with your own image, but that, if you want me to do a tutorial on that, you can comment on this video, then I will do that for you. Right, but for now I'm going to show you what the default. So you can right click on the folder here, then come to the area you see properties. When you click on properties, come all the way to let's bring this in the center, customize here. When you click on customize, you look down, you will see where is what? Change icon. When you click on change icon, you can see series type of icons. So it's up to you now to choose which type of icon you want. Let's say I want to pick this tree. I will click on the tree and click on what? OK. You see the tree is being shown here. Immediately I click on OK, my folder icon is being changed. Now you can see this is our video folder, and it's no longer as it is before. Now you can see it is a tree, but if you open it, it is a folder. You see all our documents, all our folders, and this folder are still intact. Right? So that is it for now. I will create more tutorial on folders, on how to do this on folder, but for now our motive here is to how to create folders and how to renew folders and how to deal with folders. Right? And again, before I move forward, I want to show you how to transfer folders from one folder. Now let's say this is my video folder, and I want to create another new folder here and call it general file. Let's call this one general file. Now we can open this folder again, general file, hold this side here, drag it here, and you place the folder here. If you want to drag the folder, just come with the mouse right up here, drag it to this corner side. Now let's say I want this Africa documentary to be here. You can either move the folder or you can just copy the folder. Now if I click on Africa documentary, I hold it and drag it to this point and leave it here. You can see Africa documentary is no longer in this my video, but in this other one general file. I can either right click, also right click, copy, and we'll click on what general file, right click again and paste it there. You will see the folder is here. So for now, I guess this is very helpful. I will do more tutorials on what folders if you want me to on the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It means a lot to me. Share to your friends so that they can learn, and don't forget, comment whatever